Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 326. So first of all, from our health story, the Scottish Government have offered junior doctors a 14.5% pay rise. So what is this pay offer as a fraction in its simplest form? So 14.5% of course means 14.5 out of 100. Now to simplify, we need to get the smallest possible whole numbers that we can make on the numerator and the denominator. So if we times top and bottom by 10 first of all, we can create an equivalent fraction with whole numbers on the top and the bottom. So 14.5 times 10 is 145, and 100 times 10 is 1000. And we can take this one step further and divide top and bottom by 5 now. So 145 divided by 5 is 29, and 1000 divided by 5 is 200. So 29 out of 200 is the answer we were looking for. So onto our technology story. It's a 10-year-old girl spent £2,500 of mum's money on the gaming site Roblox. So it was £2,500 spread over small transactions of £20. How many transactions did she make altogether? Well, we need to see how many times 20 goes into 2,500. So that would be 125 small transactions, but of course these small transactions have added up to quite a lot of money there. So on to our environment story. So an Indian government official has been suspended after ordering a reservoir to be drained so he could find his phone. 2 million litres of water were pumped from the reservoir over 3 days. So on average, how much water was drained from the dam per hour? So of course there's 24 hours in a day. So there's 3 lots of 24 hours in 3 days, which is 72 hours. So we need to see how many times 72 goes into 2 million. So that comes to 27,777.777. So to the nearest litre, because of this 7 here, it means it's going to be closer to 27,778 litres. So maybe that's a reminder to all of us that a bit of due care and attention should always be spent when taking selfies. Okay, on to our final story, our travel story. So a passenger has allegedly opened a plane door mid-flight because they felt uncomfortable. Now, 213 metres above the ground, I wouldn't recommend it. So what is this height in centimetres? So to change metres to centimetres, we times by 100, so 21,300 centimetres. And to change metres to millimetres, we times by 1,000, so that would be 213,000 millilitres. But to change metres to kilometres, we need to divide by 1,000, so that's going to give us 0.213 kilometres. Wouldn't recommend it at all, folks. Anyway, that was our What Solutions for this week. Thanks for solving these problems, and stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.